Hey friends, in this video I will explain you what are low content books. So how easily you can actually, this video is only about the description, or I will describe about like what are low content books, but very soon in upcoming videos you will get to know like how you can actually make these low content books and how you can upload them on Amazon KDP. So one by one we will go, and in this video, so this will be a series actually, or you can say a course. So this is the first video where we will discuss about the low content books introduction actually. So this is an introductory video. So you can see my screen here, and this is like, what are low content books, and I have, described them, using these points, headings, and there are some text descriptions as well. So for example, the first one, minimal text. So low content books are paperback books that contain little to no text or images on the interior pages. So when you open the book, there are very little content like text or images, or even no content. Like notebooks only, they have, these books has lines. So these are the low content books, minimal text they have. And simple design. So design of low content books are very simple. They typically feature simple or artistic covers, while the interior is intentionally left blank or structured minimally. You got my point? Like the cover is artistic, but the interior still it is like, it is left blank or has been structured minimally, like with low content, with small content, or you can say less content. User focused. So the interior content like lines, grids, or prompts is designed for the buyer to fill out themselves. So buyer actually, they can, they can fill it. Let me show you one example. Like, just give me 1 minute. So let me show you an example here. For example, this is the Ramadan planner, and let me show you, like, this is the main interior page of this book. Like, see, Ramadan date. So the user will fill here like what is the date of the Ramadan first, and they will also like track this, prayer they have, performed or not, like Quran log, what surah they have read that day, hydration like this one, today's dua and gratitude, they will type here, they will write here. So this will be the interior pages. Like this will be the duplicate, only one time you will have to make, and then duplicate in all pages. Even if your low content book like has 30 pages, 50 pages, so you will just duplicate them, and then just duplicate these all content. Same like, let me show you blank recipe book, for example, this one, and here we can see this one, and see this one, recipe, ingredients, and cooking instructions and notes. So this will also, user will write here. This was the examples. I can also show you on my author page, like this is my author page, you can see, and here these books are published by me. So same like you can see, large print address book is here. So users can write address notebook. See, this is A to Z alphabetical organizer with big text, addresses, phone numbers, and emails. So they can write emails and names, and this also like duplicate in all pages. Let me show you this one also. This is here the address, this one address book. So you can see this is the inside interior pages that will be duplicated, and see how easy it is. Name, address, phone, email, and then just duplicate it. So the next thing, you can see here like beginner friendly, user focused. We have discussed about the lines, grids, and prompts like buyer have to fill, as I explained you in my books. Beginner friendly, they are ideal for beginners in self-publishing as they require minimal technical writing. Yes, obviously, if you are going to write an ebook about how to weight loss, about how to lose weight, how to decrease weight, how to reduce weight, or something about technical like that is related to some knowledge or education. So you will have to write a lot of things. Even for instance, if I design a book, if I want to make a book about the education or tutorials that I explain here on YouTube, so I want to write them. So see, a lot of hard working required. I need to type a lot of things. So these require minimal technical writing and quick creation. Unlike novels, these books can often be created and published in just a few hours, as you no need to write any technical things. So just you have to design a specific page that you will make duplicate of that specific page. Therefore, it will take only few minutes sometimes, and sometimes only few hours it can take. So it depends like how you are designing that specific pages using illustration software or any AI tools. So it depends. Now there are common types and uses, like journals and diaries, primarily used for personal reflection, gratitude logs, and or daily thoughts, and they provide a blank or lined canvas for the user to express their inner world, as I showed you about the Ramadan that book. Planners, essential tools for organization. These books include calendars and structured layouts to help users schedule appointments, set goals, and track productivity. So the planners also very good for business, especially, and sorry, for organizations. Logbooks also like niche specific trackers designed for a clear purpose. Common examples include fitness logs or track workouts, fitness trackers for expenses, or habit trackers. As I showed you, like this one, the recipe book logbook, password logbook also you can see here, and a lot of things. If I show you the password logbook should be there. Just give me 1 minute, 1 second. If it is not here, let me show you in my profile. That is also low content book. Like users just need to see this one, password logbook. So this is also very easy. Like there is only one page, and with the the website or application URL name and just username and password. So this is amazing. Like you can see here, complete record keeping and secure. And so this is the video that I explained here. The things about about the low content books. What are the low content books? So this was the video about this. Now in future, definitely we are going to make more videos in this series, in this course, and at the end you will understand, and you will got everything like how to design these low content books using different tools. I will show you using Illustrator, using Book Bolt. I will also show you, and some AI tools also we can use. So then we will publish it on Amazon KDP as well. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and also share the video with your friends so they can learn new things and they can increase their professional skills. Also press the bell icon so you will get the notifications of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much once again.